Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing accuracy and color control. Gather markers in light, mid, and dark values plus a 0. 5 fine liner and scrap paper. Once done, choose a simple color code tied to function, living, service, circulation, and print or trace the plan at your working scale, for example 1:100. Make a quick swatch test to confirm how colors layer and whether they bleed. Then, with a light marker, begin filling the largest zones to establish overall balance and edge relationships. You now build depth by working from broad to specific. Start by blocking large areas with a light tone so you preserve highlights and avoid oversaturation. Next, layer mid and dark tones where shadows or emphasis belong, overlapping about 10 to 20% to blend smoothly. Feather strokes to avoid hard bands. Make sure to protect your drawn lines, either mask them or retrace with a fine liner after coloring. Also add functional labels and simple symbols as you go, because clarity is as important as color. You finish by refining edges and building a usable deliverable. Retrace boundaries with your fine liner and add simple textures or hatches to indicate materials. Then compose a clear legend showing each swatch, its name, and any opacity or percentage used so viewers can interpret the plan quickly. Once complete, scan or photograph at 300 dpi for digital sharing. If you get bleeding, immediately blot excess with absorbent paper. Wait until fully dry, and relayer lightly to recover color fidelity and contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.